The straight line with equation x plus y equals 4 cuts the circle with equation here, right, at 2 points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B, and hence find the length of the chord AB. So basically, okay, you've got two equations. You've got the line, okay, right, and you've got the circle. Okay, so I just did this on the computer quickly, okay, just did a sketch to just show what is going on. I don't know if I've got the gradients right, okay. I probably haven't actually. It should be sloping downwards, but that doesn't matter, right? The point I'm trying to make here is that it cuts the circle, right, at 2 points, okay, and we've got to find those 2 points. We've got to find them. So in order to establish what they are, okay, when you've got two equations and you want to find the points of intersection, we've got to solve them simultaneously, okay. So basically what you do is, right, call this 1 and call this 2. Now the first one is really easy to work with, okay, because what you can do with number 1 is rewrite it. So you can rewrite it to say, look, that means y, if x plus y is 4, y will be 4 minus x, okay. So you can take the x over the other side. So we've got an expression now for y, okay, in terms of x. We can sub this into equation 2. Okay, so sub into 2. So what will I get then? Well, I've got x squared there, yeah? Y squared, but remember now y is equal to 4 minus x, so I can put that 4 minus x all squared plus 4x minus 4y, but remember this is what my y is, so sub that in, minus 8 is 0. So you've got quite a lot of things going on here. What we're going to do now is we're going to expand this bracket, okay, expand this and then simplify it. So x squared plus, well, let's write that bracket out twice, plus 4x. Let's expand this bracket, so minus 4 times 4 is minus 16. Minus 4 times minus x is plus 4x. Minus 8 is 0. Okay. So then let's expand this double bracket. So first is 16. Outers is negative 4x. Inners is negative 4x. That's negative 8x altogether. Plus x squared there. Okay. We've then got plus 4x and 4xs, that's plus 8x. When you put those two together, and minus 16 minus 8 is minus 24 equals 0. Now what's nice is that 8x will cancel with that minus 8x. Yeah, so you've got then 2x squared. 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Okay, that equals to 0. So that means then, well, if I take that over, I get, what do I get? I get 8, yeah, obviously. And then that means x squared then is 4 when I divide by 2. Now, of course, to get x, then you've got to square root. But when you square root, you've got to do plus or minus. So that means x is 2, or x is negative 2. Okay. So I've got my 2 points, haven't I? Well, I've got my x values. I now need to work out my y values, but the y values are easy because I just sub it in there. So when x is 2, I got 4 take away 2 is 2. And when x is negative 2, I got 4 take away negative 2, so the two negatives make a plus, so before plus 2 is 6. Okay, so my points are 2, 2 and minus 2, 6. Okay, so you can see then it kind of corresponds here. Obviously I haven't drawn this properly, okay, but that would be my point there. Maybe that could be my B and that could be my A. Okay, I've got there 2 points. So then it says, and it's important that you do write them out as well, right? Don't just leave it like that. You need to say, look, A is minus 2, 6 and B is 2, 2. Okay. Then we are asked then to find the length of the chord AB. Okay, so the chord AB is just that line there, yeah, connecting them. So quite simply, you've just got to do a bit of length then. Do the length formula, x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Okay, so let's call this my x2. So 2, take away this, which is minus 2. This is my y2. 2, take away this, which is 6, all squared. Okay, and if I do that my calculator, I get 4 root 2 as my length.